First thing during the EVOC course was getting the fundamentals down, learning how to turn, learning how to operate your ATV, checking the oil, gas, pretty much the basics of operating any vehicle that you will want to know.
P, it's in park. You turn in right, lean right.
From there, we went to the beach. So while on the beach, there's obviously sand, so from there we switched from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive, and that's basically just having more control of your vehicle on different types of terrain. With two-wheel drive, it's not easy to operate on sand, but with the four-wheel drive, it's more accessible. We use it here basically just for patrol. So instead of having a vehicle driving on the road, trying to see what's on the beach, we have front row access, basically, using the ATVs. So, and while on the ATVs, it's just a beautiful view to be on the beach with an ATV, so that's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool experience to have.